Welcome to the lesson on eye protection. In this lesson, we will look at how proper eye protection can safeguard your vision against potential hazards and ensure safe and efficient maintenance and repair of BEVs. Let us look at our lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain why eye protection is essential for BEV technicians. Next, you will be able to identify the purpose of the American National Standards Institute, abbreviated as ANSI. Later, you will be able to explain the markings on ANSI-compliant safety glasses and face shields. Following that, you will be able to describe the features and uses of full-face shields. Finally, you will be able to describe the procedure for putting on a full-face shield. Why is eye protection needed for BEV technicians? According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, commonly known as the CDC, approximately 2,000 job-related eye injuries that require medical treatment occur daily in the United States. This means that, on average, every hour, about 50 people in the U.S. sustain a job-related eye injury that requires medical attention. More than 100 of these injuries result in 1 or more days away from work. This means that many of these injuries are severe enough to cause the worker to miss work for at least 1 day. Most of these injuries are caused by small particles that strike or scrape the eyeball. This includes particles like dust, metal shavings, and wood chips. These particles can cause injuries, from minor scratches to serious corneal abrasions or even eye loss. Eye protection is needed for BEV technicians to shield their eyes from sparks, flying debris, and harmful battery chemicals during maintenance and repair tasks. What is ANSI? The American National Standards Institute, also known as ANSI, sets and maintains standards for various products and equipment used in businesses, including safety gear like eye and face protection. These standards ensure that products meet specific safety and performance criteria, making them reliable and effective for their intended use. ANSI's standards for eye and face protection devices are designed to ensure these products offer adequate protection in various workplace situations. This includes safeguarding against everyday hazards such as flying debris that protects from impact, harmful light or rays that protect from radiation, and chemicals or liquids that protect from splash exposures that could come into contact with your eyes and face. The standard Z-87.1 2020 is the latest version of ANSI eye and face protection guidelines. It outlines the minimum performance and testing requirements that safety glasses and face shields must meet to ensure they protect against various hazards. Safety glasses and face shields that meet the Z-87.1 2020 standard may have extra markings, letters, or numbers. These additional markings often indicate specific features or characteristics of the eyewear, such as impact resistance, ultraviolet, abbreviated as UV protection, and more. Understanding these markings is crucial, as they will help you choose the right eye and face protection gear for your specific tasks, ensuring maximum safety. The ANSI Z-87.1 standard requires efficient and easy-to-understand lens and frame markings. These markings make the selection process more straightforward and increase compliance. The required markings for ANSI Z-87.1 2020 safety eyewear are Z87 Plus marking, manufacturer's name or logo, model number, lens and frame markings, impact resistance rating, UV protection, temple length, filtering shade, and ANSI logo. It's important to note that the specific markings and their format can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer and style of safety eyewear. Always refer to the product's documentation or the manufacturer if there are questions about the markings in compliance with ANSI Z-87.1 2020. What are full-face shields? Full-face shields are personal protective equipment worn by automotive technicians to protect the eyes, nose, and mouth from flying objects and chemicals. They are typically made of clear plastic or polycarbonate and are attached to a headband or helmet. They are a critical piece of PPE as they can protect against various hazards, including flying objects, chemicals, and heat. They should be worn whenever there is a risk of eye, nose, or mouth injuries. ANSI Z-87.1 Plus certification ensures the shield meets the American National Standards Institute's impact resistance and optical clarity standards. The shield should provide a wide field of vision so that the technician can see clearly while working. When choosing a full-face shield, it is essential to consider the specific hazards to which it is exposed. The shield should be comfortable to wear and not fog up or obstruct the technician's vision. The shield should be made of durable materials that can withstand the rigors of automotive work. The additional markings on glasses and shields denote added impact resistance, arc flash protection, dust, etc. The specific markings will vary depending on the manufacturer. However, some of the most common markings include 2C, indicating UV protection, N, indicating anti-fog, K, indicating anti-scratch, and B, indicating impact resistant. How should a technician put on a full-face shield? Let's look at the steps. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to put on a full-face shield. 2. Adjust the headband or helmet to fit snugly but comfortably on your head. 3. Ensure the shield is clean and free of dirt or debris. 4. Place the shield over your face to cover your eyes, nose, and mouth. 5. Adjust the shield so it is not too tight or loose. 6. Secure the shield with the headband. Let us look at our lesson summary on eye protection. Eye protection is vital for BEV technicians to prevent injuries from flying particles, sparks, and harmful chemicals during repair and maintenance work. The CDC reports about 2,000 work-related eye injuries daily in the U.S., many caused by particles like dust and metal shavings, often resulting in missed work. ANSI Z87.1 2020 sets the safety standards for eye and face protection, requiring clear markings for features such as impact resistance and UV protection. Full-face shields protect the eyes, nose, and mouth from hazards and should meet ANSI Z87.1 plus standards for durability and visibility. Properly putting on a face shield includes adjusting the headband, ensuring cleanliness, and securing the shield for a comfortable and protective fit. Thank you.